All right, tell me I'm not the only one that has a drawer that looks like this. You've got dead batteries, half dead batteries, batteries you think are good, and about 14 chargers that nobody can find when they actually need them. And half the time you don't even know if the chargers actually work or not because they are cheap. Well, today we're checking out something that's honestly one of the coolest battery charging systems I've ever seen. It's the Olight Ostation 2 Pro. And I first want to thank Olight for sending me this Ostation to check it out and do this review video on. They're not sponsoring this video, but they did send this unit to me for free to do this review video. This thing doesn't just charge batteries, it tests them, organizes them, and it automatically sorts them, and it even charges Olight flashlights with the magnetic charging built right into the side. So let's check this thing out. So the Ostation 2 Pro is basically an all-in-one battery management station. It works with AA and AAA rechargeable batteries, and instead of manually putting batteries into charging slots one at a time, you literally just drop them into the top. And the machine automatically checks the batteries, charges the good ones, it even separates the bad ones, and it stores the charged batteries down below. That's honestly the part I love most about this unit. It makes rechargeable batteries easy. Because let's be honest, most people don't avoid rechargeable batteries because they're bad. They avoid them because charging batteries is usually annoying. One thing I really like is that you don't have to worry about polarity. You just toss the batteries in any direction and it figures everything out automatically. It also tests the batteries and it can identify bad or unhealthy cells before charging. That's huge because we've all had those batteries that charge weird, drain instantly, or mess up devices. And instead of guessing which battery is the problem, this thing sorts them automatically. It also stores your charged batteries right inside the unit. So instead of having loose batteries all over the house, everything stays organized and ready to go. It can hold up to 12 AA batteries and 12 AAA batteries. The Pro version also has a touchscreen display and app connectivity, so you can monitor the charging status and battery information. But honestly, even if you never use the app, the touchscreen itself is super simple. This is one of those products where you can be techie with it, or just use it like a normal person. Now this part is really cool if you already own Olight flashlights. The Ostation 2 Pro actually has two built-in magnetic charging ports on the side. So instead of hunting down magnetic charging cables all over the house for your Olight light, you can literally dock your flashlight right onto the side of the unit and charge it directly from the station. That's honestly a smart idea because a lot of us already keep flashlights in the same area where we keep batteries. Now let's talk about the big thing, because some people are probably looking at this and saying, yeah, but rechargeable systems cost money. And that's true up front. But honestly, if your house goes through batteries like mine does, between TV remotes, flashlights, gaming controllers, trail cameras, motion lights, kids' toys, wireless keyboards, tools, you name it. Basically, there's many devices that have either AAA or AA batteries. You start realizing real fast how expensive disposable batteries actually are. Rechargeable batteries can be reused hundreds, sometimes thousands of times. So instead of constantly buying packs of AA and AAA batteries every month, you buy them once, recharge them, and keep using them. And over time, that starts offsetting the cost of the station itself. It also means fewer batteries getting thrown away. So you're saving money and creating less waste at the same time. This would honestly be perfect for people that use a lot of batteries. DIYers, flashlight collectors, families, parents with kids' toys everywhere, trail camera users, which I happen to use a trail cam often, and I blow through a ton of batteries using it. The trail camera alone takes 6 AA batteries, and I'm replacing the batteries every couple days. So that definitely adds up real quick. And then there's also gamers, the game controllers, those take batteries. Anything emergency prep related, hurricane kits will take batteries. RV owners, workshop setups, you name it, there's going to be batteries involved. This is one of those products you don't realize you needed until you start using it. So here are the cons. I do think this product makes the most sense if you already use rechargeable batteries regularly. If you only use batteries once in a blue moon, this might be overkill. But if you constantly burn through AA and AAA batteries like most households do, this thing is seriously convenient. And if you already own Olight flashlights with magnetic charging, the Pro version makes even more sense. So overall, I actually think the Ostation 2 Pro is pretty impressive. It's part charger, part organizer, part battery management system, and honestly, it just makes rechargeable batteries way more convenient to use. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put links down below, and let me know in the comments, are you still using disposable batteries, or have you switched to rechargeables yet? And one thing to be aware of with the Ostation 2 Pro is that you are able to recharge the nickel metal hydride batteries, the rechargeable ones of other brands. These would be typically used like in landscape lighting as rechargeable batteries. And most other batteries out there that are rechargeables are going to be the nickel metal hydride, which is the NiMH. Now with the Ostation 2 Pro, we'll recharge them, but Olight offers the lithium ion of AA and AAA batteries, which, just so you know, if there's other lithium ion batteries rechargeables out there of different brands, this Ostation 2 Pro will not recharge them. So it is limited to the Olight brand as far as the lithium ion batteries go. So now I swapped out the batteries on my trail cam, and I've been using these for a month now, and I've been pretty impressed with the performance of their lithium ion 1.5 volt batteries. The main ones I've been using are the AA ones, and I'm able to get about a day and a half, almost 2 full days of use from them. I have a lot of activity on my trail cam that I use for a concrete bird bath that I made, and I get a lot of activity at it. So it definitely chews up the batteries very quickly. I was going through basically 6 batteries every day under the normal type of, Energizer or Duracell batteries. And basically those packs of them are $25 for, I think, 40 batteries. And basically going through 6 batteries a day was insane. So definitely this is a major upgrade to be able to use these rechargeable ones. In no time, they would certainly pay for themselves many times over. It's just the initial investment, obviously, up front. It'll be a little bit more expensive than regular AA batteries that you would dispose of normally. To be able to use them hundreds of times, then it's definitely worth it. And I'll show you now how to load it. And again, it doesn't matter which direction you have the battery in. It automatically senses the polarity of them. And basically there's 2 sides on this AA. So just make sure you're loading it into the AA side versus the AAA side. So whichever battery you're putting in. And you basically just drop it in. There's basically 2 sides on the AA. One battery goes this direction, another one goes in this other drop down. So I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I basically just alternate between the 2 sides, and there they are loaded up. This unit does hold 12 batteries total of AA and 12 of the AAA at a time. And it basically charges 2 at a time. Just close the lid when you're done. So it will automatically load, and then it'll show on the display the current charge level of the battery once it loads in there. And you can see them here and through like the little darkened see-through plastic of the batteries being loaded up on the top part. And it basically just self-feeds it and starts charging them. What's nice about it is that it obviously stores the batteries right in place. So you just, when you're ready to take some out, it loads 2 in the little tray. So you remove 2 at a time, push it in, it loads 2 more. As you can tell, it doesn't matter which way you load them, because it does check for polarity and automatically charges whichever direction the battery is loaded in, which is a great feature. That way you can't mess it up. And when you're charging Olights from the little side part, when the one Olight is done charging, it'll be green light, and then you can tell the other one is still red, or it's still charging up. All right, so it has 2 batteries loaded, and you can see once I removed the batteries from the trail cam, one is at 16%, one's at 15%, so it was pretty well drained and ready to be swapped out. And basically throughout the time, it'll show the latest status of the charge level of the batteries, and then it'll go on to the next set once they are fully charged. And the other great thing about it too is if you're not using the magnetic charging, this does fold up nice and convenient, and so it makes it more compact. And I'll give you a rundown of the pricing of the Ostation 2 Pro. So if you were to buy it, they offer different packages actually. So you could have it where it's just the unit by itself with no batteries. The retail price on that is $140 at the time of filming this. And they do offer it with the package of 8 AA batteries and 12 AAA batteries. And then the price of that package is $200. And if you were to buy the packs individually of the lithium ion ones, because they do have different options between the different types of batteries, but the top grade of the lithium ion ones, a 4-pack of AA batteries retails for $16.99, and then a 12-pack of the AAA batteries retails for $15.99. So yes, it is more expensive up front when buying rechargeable batteries, especially lithium ion ones, but you should expect a long lifespan out of them and many times over as far as the amount of savings compared to the conventional battery that gets thrown away after a single use. So definitely it's worth it in my book. If you use a lot of batteries all the time, then I think it's a great idea to add something like this to your household. But if you don't use batteries often, then obviously this is going to be overkill. And the charger is in the back part of it here. It is done by a USB-C port, and it comes with a USB cable as well as a power block to plug it into a regular wall outlet. And based on the stats of this Ostation 2 Pro, it says it'll fully charge batteries in about 2.5 hours. And that does seem to be the case. And actually another con on my list of cons is that it is kind of loud once the batteries are fully charged. It drops into the next container down and then rolls into place. That initial drop is kind of loud, in my opinion. That's the only negative I could really think about of this unit itself. So I would not recommend having this like in a bedroom and you're charging batteries up overnight and you're trying to sleep, because the noise of the batteries dropping will definitely probably wake you up. I would definitely recommend having this unit in another area of the house where it won't disturb anyone when the batteries are charging up. All right, as I mentioned, I'll have links down in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. And if you enjoyed this review video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more review videos as well as tool deal videos. I really do appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.